Before this video starts, leave a like, comment down below. I know you haven't seen this video, but still comment down below because why not? What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Busta-Bust or Nahhh episode. So today we're gonna be doing a first impressions / experience review on the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So we got this drone. I think I want to say about a year ago, around October-ish. We got it because we wanted to use it for a scene in a movie, but a lot of my clients have been asking for some drone shots for the music videos and other type of work. And a lot of people think, if you have a drone, it's like, whoa, we got the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I want to let you guys know why I got this one instead of other ones like the Phantom 4 Pro or whatever. So the reason we went with this one was because we like the 1-inch sensor. We like we shoot a lot in low light situations, so we just thought it might help out having a bigger sensor. Along with that, the small form factor of the Mavic 2 Pro helps out immensely. So the form factor of this is pretty small. You could honestly put this in a hoodie or something super nice. So we don't have our license yet, so if we were kind of getting chased by cops for flying a drone, we could just easily hide this in a backpack or something and just quick shoot and go or whatever we need to. So it helps out, and plus not having a big UFO just hovering around. So we got this one because of the size, super nice. Another selling point was the Hasselblad color science. Hasselblad makes top of the line Rolls Royce level cameras, so having their color science in there just helps out with color grading. It's 10-bit, so you can really push and pull as much as you want without it kind of breaking as quick as 8-bit footage would. A couple of other accessories that we got for it so far. We got this controller, super nice controller. I didn't want to use my phone, so I was like, yo, let's just get a controller for it because I'm using my phone for a million other things on set. I would rather just have a dedicated controller with a nice screen, 1080p screen, and it's just perfect, and it has its own battery in it, and you can use it for further distances, and really nice. I highly recommend getting this along with the drone. If you get it separately, it costs a lot more for some reason, so get this with the drone, you won't regret it. And then we got a couple other batteries. We just bought a bundle and just came with 4 batteries. Loved it. Extra propellers, and then we got this nice little Pelican type case, nice little hard case, super small, super nice. I would highly recommend getting a case like that just in case you bump it or whatever. Yeah, let's just jump right into the image quality of it and how my experience was flying it. This is my first drone, so I haven't flown one before this. Some of the buttons I'm not used to. I thought it'd be like flying a helicopter in Call of Duty or Battlefield, but it's not. It's a lot more sensitive and it's a lot more responsive. There's a lot more customizing you can do with it, but there's just some buttons that won't let me switch to other buttons. I don't know why. For example, I want to change this one right here to be able to pan up and down and left and right, and this one to be moving left and right, and then this I could just have it go up and down, but I guess it just won't let me. Whatever. Maybe there's a way. I haven't figured out a way yet. I'll let you know when I do. So flying, it's very kind of here and there. I like to just use the auto track and just let it auto track, or use some of the pre-programmed flights. Just kind of make it super easy for me. All right, just revolve around this, or point of interest is one of my favorite too. Active track is super nice. So for my friend Adem Dalipi, his music video that I shot. Adem Dalipi is a contestant on American Idol, and he wanted a music video, so he reached out. We did a bunch of things, and one of the last shots, 2 of the last shots actually, was the female lead driving away. The drone was following the car as it kind of pulled off. Super simple shot. I just active tracked it and just let it go. Super nice. When the car was backing up, the drone was still actively tracking it at the same distance, and it almost ran into a house. I guess it just dodged the house, so the obstacle avoidance was really nice. But I do have to warn you, active track sucks in low light, and the sensors aren't useful at all in low light. So just be careful. Fly it during the day. At night, it's very sketchy. Trust me. Yeah, trust me on that one. Then we went to Chicago for the rest of the music video, and it was a really nice scene where we had to it was like a drone shot just panning up to show the Chicago skyline. It was hard to do because the low light capability, you can only push it so far. So I had it set to 6400 in D-Log-M. There's like a little hack. So normally in D-Log-M you can only have it to 3200, but if you go back to normal mode like Rec 709, then go to 6400, then change it to D-Log-M, then you can have 6400 in D-Log-M for ISO. Yeah, that's how we did it. And then we applied the Nahhh video software to really help mitigate for those dancing ISO boxes of death. That was one way of helping with the low light. Nahhh Video is an amazing software. I'm obviously not sponsored by anyone ever because I'm too small of a YouTuber. I don't exactly know the company's name, but they make a profile for Nahhh Video that's specifically made for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So we bought that, did that, put it on, and it was just super nice. Seeing the software at work and then seeing without the software, it really made a huge difference. I definitely recommend that. I'll have all the links to everything down below, so that way you guys can check it out. I will say the colors on this look really great if it's in the day. When it's at night and you have the ISO up, it's kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. So the most recent time that we've used this drone was for my movie when we were flying this in a parking garage, and it was a very complicated shot. Props to Chad for flying it that way. The drone was in this center of the parking garage and it had to go up while spinning, and then it had to slowly rotate to the city and show the skyline. So it was very difficult while it was, you know, going up. And yeah, it was awesome though. The shot was definitely worth it. We had it set to 3200 ISO, and we just kind of shot it like that. Used the Nahhh Video software, helped mitigate for some of the ISO. Another scene, which was in the same parking garage, it was a lot simpler. The drone had to just follow me going up an elevator. Super nice. The dynamic range was really nice to have in this drone because there was a lot of dark scenes and then there was a lot of bright scenes in that elevator sequence. So it was really nice to be able to kind of have both. The colors out of this, I like it. I haven't really taken many pictures. I've taken a couple of pictures to be honest, but the 20 megapixel looks really sharp. The colors look great with the D-Log-M. When I was first flying it in last October-ish, I threw it up. It was like autumn season, so I got beautiful colors and beautiful color rendition from it. It was just really sweet. The 2.8 aperture definitely does help out. So I wish the DJI Mavic 2 zoom had a 2.8 aperture, or else I would have gotten that, because I think the zoom really would be a nice feature to have. Since we shoot so much in low light, that 1-inch sensor and that low light capability is more important to us than having a zoom. But I do wish I could get a zoom so we can get some cool parallax effects. Bro, that'd be so crazy cool. Regardless, I'm happy with what we got right here. Oh, another time we flew this drone, crazy. It was an aerial shot of my car driving around Rockford. So we kind of kept the drone right above my car and just matched the speeds essentially. We didn't even track the drone footage to the car. We just kind of, it was just so perfect already. We really didn't need to. So it was just really cool. And we just kind of flew it around in pitch dark. It was really sketchy. My heart was the whole time. I was afraid I was gonna crash into a building or something. I do hope that they make a better low light camera drone, because I shoot a lot of things at night and it would just be really sweet to be able to have that, you know? But rest assured, you know, this is a pretty solid drone. It's kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's worth it for what it kind of provides. It hasn't really failed me yet, you know? Yeah, the flight time's around like 25 to 30 minutes-ish. Yeah, it does heavily depend on wind conditions. If it's a windier day, you'll get maybe like 15 minutes per battery, but that's why you just pick up more batteries. So you don't really have to worry too much about that. It handles pretty well. You just got to get used to it, and you really got to customize it. You got to really spend like a good like 40 hours playing with it and just customizing all the custom settings to your fitting, and then just practicing. So practice, so that way you can actually get the perfect shot that you want. Most of the time, it's not the drone that's stupid, it's just you haven't had the time to experience how to use it properly. That's my first impressions / experience review on the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want one, click the link down below, buy from us. I'd appreciate that. You know, use that Amazon affiliate link, give us a little bit of, you know, cash back right there. If you want to see all the full commercial work that I've used this baby on, it will be linked down below. It's on the icon it's It's on the Icon channel, so, you know, make sure you subscribe at the Icon channel. I'd appreciate that. If you guys are interested in seeing, you know, my personal stuff, my personal vlog, check out the Yash Musabji channel. That's where I post all my, you know, personal vlogs and just my journey as an artist and stuff like that. So subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. You guys have been killing it with comments lately, so, you know, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Make sure you show some love to the other videos, and if you have any questions about this, let me know, and I would love to answer it down below. Bars. Write that down. Peace.